Hello everybody, in this Rhino Grasshopper video demo, I would like to show how we can create this kind of shape which consists of ridges around a circular pattern that can be parametrically modified and controlled. By the way, this is a viewer requested video. Okay, let's start. Let's begin by creating a circle. Let's give it a radius 350. Okay, I'm going to put a divide curve. Okay, the count has to be increments of 8. Okay, so we can do this. Okay, do a right mouse click, click edit. You can write expression x times 8. Okay, I don't think I need 100. Maybe 30 will do. Okay, 30 will do. Click OK, and then you can connect here. Okay, so you'll see that the increments are in 8s. Okay. Okay. Yep. Okay. Now, I need to get the certain points to move up in order for the wave or ridge like pattern to be formed. Okay. To do that, we can use the cow pattern. Cow pattern. Okay, I'm going to put the pattern over here. We can use a panel. Okay, one. Okay, so we have something like that. Okay, make sure that we have like 6 digits. Okay, I need to add one more in this case. Okay, something like that. And right mouse click, take out this multi-line data. We connect this here, connect this here, and let's make a duplicate of this. And now I need to inverse this set. Okay, so double click, whatever is 0 become 1, whatever is 1 becomes 0. Okay. Okay, now we need to move some of these points. So I guess I want to move this set here. Okay, so type a move. Okay, and put a vector over here. So I guess I can use a vector z, and let's give it a range -5 to 5. Okay, -5 to 5. Okay, just plug here, and then like that. Okay, so we got something like that. So now you can see that if I were to select this, I get this. If I were to select this, I get the alternate set of points. So now we need to like merge them together, and to do that we can use the width. Okay, use the width. Okay, now I'm going to let's use this pattern. Okay, so I'm going to copy this using the Alt. So this is going to be my pattern. Stream 1, stream 2. Okay, let's see whether it works now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a curve here. Okay, so go to curve, NURBS curve. Okay, make sure the periodic is yes, because we need to close it. So go to param, input. I want to put this so that you can see that I actually toggled this as true. Okay, so this, so yeah, can see we got something like that. And because I already set it to like increments of 8, right? So the number of points will be always correct. Okay, so let's move this up. Okay, we can have more of this. You can see we got something like that. Okay, so now with this been done, I'm going to make 2 more set of this curve. So press Alt key, copy 1 more set below, Alt 1 more time, another set. Okay, and let's name this as curve 1. Curve 2. Curve 3. Okay, so we got 3 sets, and okay, let's manipulate the second set. Okay, so okay, the second set is going to be like slightly bigger like that. Okay, and in order for me to like not getting it to overlap inwards, right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a range. I know, okay, let's set this as the range from, let's say, 0 to 50. Okay, 0 to 50 is the range of the first set, so the second set should be bigger than that. So I click, so maybe I'm going to set 51 to 70 maybe. Okay, 51 to 70. Okay, so second set is 51 to 70. Okay, so and then the third set is going to be even bigger. So maybe something like 72. I don't want it to overlap. 72 to 120 maybe. Okay, so we got something like that. Okay. So they don't overlap. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I need to give all these 3 sets are varying heights. Okay, I think what I can do is I can raise these 2 up. Okay, so to do that, before we do the divide curve, we put another move component and set that z-axis. Where is it? Vector. So plug the motion here. This goes here. This goes here. Okay, so we got something like that. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the process for here. Okay, after this we put the move. Just use the unit set will do. So we got like 2 set over here, so you can like control the heights. Okay, so I guess I can start to do my connecting. Okay, so we got this. This will be higher. Okay, one more thing we need to do is you can see that the point counts are all independent. Okay, we have to make them the same. So I'm going to use this as my controlling slider. Okay, so from the divide curve, right, you're going to connect this to this, and then this, we don't need this anymore because it's now controlled by the top slider. And we're going to repeat the process again. Connect this, to this, okay, and we don't need this anymore. Okay, so now we have a slider that controls all the points, okay, number of points on the curves. Okay, so something like that. Okay, and I think I'm almost done already, and let's put a curve. Let's start to do the loft. So type loft, connect these three curves. Okay, now I got this, connect this one, press shift key to, okay, and 3. Okay, great. So we got like something like that. Okay, we got something like that, and yeah, let's make it easier to see. Okay, yeah, we got this kind of shape. Okay, and by controlling this, you are able to, like, make variations to the form. Okay, and let's add a little bit of interest further by giving this curve rotation node. Okay, so that we can like do a more interesting loft. Okay, so this is the middle one, so I guess after the divide curve, or maybe after the move, I can do a rotation. Okay, do a rotation. So rotate axis. Okay, so I'm going to define the axis. So if there's a better way, maybe the audience can tell me how to do it. For time being, I'm just going to draw a line to define the axis, and to draw a line, I can use the line AB, this one, and then input the coordinates. Okay, input the coordinates. So to make it easier for you to see, let's just go to the vector point, construct point. Okay, so I got two construct point over here. Okay, so one of the construct point will have a positive z-axis value, so maybe I'll just put a 2, any value will do. Okay, apart from 0. So plug this here, I'll get like my axis. Okay, so I get my axis. You can see I got axis. So this axis will be used to define this revolution axis. So I'm going to plug this here, and then the geometry will be this. Okay, this move, you plug it here. Okay, and then we plug this here. Okay, yeah, you can see. So one last thing to do is to define the angle. Okay, one last thing to do is to define the angle, and let's do a right mouse click, set it to degree, easier to understand. Okay, I'm not going to have like a big angle, so maybe maximum 90 will do. Okay, so this here. Okay, yeah, you can see. Now we can like do some kind of nice twist. Okay, if you want to turn the other directions, what I can do is right mouse click, edit. We give a negative value. Maybe 45 will do. Okay, minus 45 to plus 45. Okay, okay. Okay, so now you can see we are able to turn in 2 directions. Okay, and by changing the point count here, right? Yeah, you can increase the point count. Okay. And okay, if you want this to like slowly like blend off to a flat line, right? So for the third one, the z-axis, right, you can give like a flat value, maybe a 0. Okay, once you give 0, it flattens off. Okay, and if you want this to be, the flattening to be even further, you can also change the value over here. Okay, so here you can change this value, and you can see that you are able to control the flattening and even change the height. Okay, you can see you can even change the height. If you can change this, for example, and then here also you can change. Okay, yeah. So this definition gives us some kind of control. Okay, with that I come to the end of this demo. Hope that's been useful. See you. Bye.